Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to consider about this one. So we can use about integration by past. So we need to put about u equals to f of x. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both side, and we have like this. dv that is about second derivative g of x. The integration of this one, we have v equals to first derivative g of x. And now we have u multiplied by v. And we put the bounds from a to b. Minus, we have the integration from a to b. And now we have the u multiplied by v. So I will put about b gone here, a gone here. So we have like this. Now we can use another integration by past. So I will put about u equal to first derivative f of x. Later that we do another derivative, and we have like this. Second derivative f of x ds dv that is about first derivative g of x ds. So if we do this one, and we have gs. And now I just consider about this one only. So I will put about g. So we have u multiplied by v. Minus, we have the u multiplied by v. So I will put b gone here and 8 gone here. So we combine this one and this one, and you got the same of this one in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.